This was my Zoom H6. It had sticky rubber everywhere. I tried all kinds of products to get rid of it. I even tried a lint roller. I did my research and I scrolled through YouTube videos. I scrolled and I scrolled until I found a solution, which is to send an email to customer support. Yeah, that's it, that's the solution. They offer me a replacement, so I sent them my sticky unit, and 2 weeks later, I received the replacement at home. Don't worry if your Zoom device is in a very bad condition. Mine was really bad after all my attempts to clean it. The USB port was broken, they didn't care at all. I did have one issue though. Here in the EU, they're very slow in replying to emails. Maybe it was just me, bad luck from customer support, but just so you know. They even made a mistake where they told me they were going to replace the H6 with an H5, and I was very confused. So I replied to that email, and then they didn't answer back in a very long time, and then I had to chase them. So yeah, it was very slow. And then I sent my sticky unit, and at some point I was wondering if I was getting scammed or something. I was not getting any response. I was not getting the replacement on the mail. And then when I sent my sticky unit, they didn't reply for 2 weeks. I didn't have any feedback from them. I had tracking, so I knew they received it, but they didn't give me any feedback at all. And 2 weeks later, they sent me the tracking for the new device. And now my Zoom H6 is good as new. Well, it's not good as new, it's just new one. Brand new, no sticky rubber, no broken USB port. This is a very old USB port, by the way, but it works. Thank you, Zoom. I really appreciate that they do this. So if you're stuck with a similar issue, remember, just contact support. Don't even bother trying to solve it yourself. It might take some time, but it's worth it. And don't worry if it's like a very bad condition. I send them the unit without the capsule, and they send me the box. The whole box as brand new, with a capsule and everything. If you have one and it's in a drawer as well, like I had mine, just contact them and send them, and you'll have a new one, because this is a very good recorder. Thank you for watching, and if you have any experiences with these or any questions, just feel free to comment down below. This is Wasabi Noise, and see you on the next one.